Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, today we will start our first chapter of chemistry and the name of that chapter is Introduction to the Chemistry. Students, you know that you had seen many things like sun, gas, constellations, rocks, etc. And the most important question is that what is science? Where does it come from and why it is important? Since early times human begins were observing the nature and its various phenomena and come up with several conclusions. Their attempts lead to new ideas and concepts which were given the name science. As time passed, scientific knowledge gained importance and brought about vast changes to develop advanced technique and tools, and thus science is defined as, this is very important, science is defined as the study of nature and behavior of nature and natural things and the knowledge that we obtain from about them. And science is broadly classified into three branches, that are physics, chemistry and biology. Next heading is chemistry, its meaning and importance. So our nature has plenty of different substances that need to be studied to understand them better. To study their properties and nature of most important branches of science, that is chemistry. So chemistry is defined as the science which deals with the study of substances and their composition, properties and changes that takes place in them when it interact with each other. Now next one is development of chemistry. So chemistry is developed from many areas of study. Chemistry is named after alchemy. So alchemy, what is alchemy and what is alchemist? Actually, the alchemy is defined as, it is defined as an ancient art form that seeks purification of soul and immortality, is paralleled with the transmutation of matter, and people who practiced alchemy were known as alchemists and were considered early chemists. Now here next one is these three branches of science that is given, and this is very important, that the modern chemistry that is credited to Robert Boyle, and this one is the branch which is related to science that is given. Next one is notable changes. Students, a person who studies and conducts chemical research is called the chemist. Now next one is Robert Boyle. So he was the founder, this is very important, that Robert Boyle was the founder of chemical science. So who was the founder of chemical science? That is Robert Boyle. And Anthony Lavoisier, he was a French scientist, French chemist, who developed the law of conservation mass. So conservation of mass was given by Lavoisier, Anthony Lavoisier. Same John Dalton, he developed the atomic theory. So atomic theory was given by John Dalton. Next one is Humphrey Davy. He is best known for using the electrolysis to isolate many elements, and Sir Humphrey Davy, he made the lamp. He was the inventor of safety lamp. Okay. Next thing is John Jacob Berzelius. About the Berzelius, he was a Swedish chemist and he helped in developing the notation for writing chemical formulas, and he also discovered and isolate many elements such as silicon, thorium and selenium. This was about the Berzelius. He stated that many chemical terms as allotrope and catalysis, these were stated by this scientist, which name was John Berzelius. Next one is Dmitry Mendeleev. So next name is Mendeleev. So Mendeleev, he given the periodic table. He has given the periodic table. It is very important. तो periodic table firstly given by Sir Mendeleev. So his periodic table helped in correcting the properties of some already discovered elements. Okay, now next one is Marie Curie. So Marie Curie was a Polish born French physicist. He is famous for her work on radioactivity. Okay, now next one is Prafull Chandra Roy. He was an Indian chemist who established the first Indian research school in chemistry and is regulated as the father of chemical science in India. He was Prafull Chandra Roy. So this was about some scientists who worked in this area, and remaining portion of this chapter we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you everyone.